Today, I'm going to show you how to make an epic image by photoshopping yourself into a different background. Let's start. Import an image of yourself into Photoshop and then choose the quick selection tool. Then start selecting the parts of the image where your body is. With this tool, the best results can be achieved when the background is in a different color than you, and it helps if it is brighter than you. In case you have selected some parts of the background, remove them by holding Alt and painting those parts. When you have selected all of your body, you can copy it and then we move on the background image. Try to choose an image where the light comes from the same angle as you are in your image. In this image there is a person and I will remove it softly. If you want to see a tutorial how to remove parts of your image, please like this video and
leave a comment below.
After you have prepared your image, you can now paste yourself into the image. Now click Command T to transform the image and place yourself in a natural place. In this image, the person is jumping, so I will put it on the rock. So this is it. It's an awesome image you have created just by replacing the background. Please subscribe and keep notified. Smash the like button and I will see you in the next video.